Hi teacher, today we're going to make soap from used cooking oil, and this experiment is done by Brendan and Mahesha. The materials and apparatus that we are going to need are 150 milliliters of used cooking oil which is filtered, 150 milliliters of water, 30 grams of sodium hydroxide, food coloring, essential oil which is sweet orange, silicone mold, electronic balance, 3 plastic spoons and 4 toothpicks. The first step in making the soap is to weigh 30 grams of sodium hydroxide chips using an electronic balance. The next step would be to weigh 150 grams of water by using an electronic balance with the assumption that the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Then, add the sodium hydroxide chips into the water in small batches to prevent the sodium hydroxide chips from reacting vigorously with the water. The next step would be to mix the solution slowly and let it cool down under the fan. Adding sodium hydroxide to water is highly caustic. Therefore, put on gloves and work in a well-ventilated room. Once the solution has cooled, slowly add it to the used cooking oil while stirring. Stir the mixture until it has a milky consistency. Now we can pour out the mixture into a silicone mold after adding a few drops of the essential oil. The essential oil that we will be using is known as sweet orange to give the soap a sweet scent. The next step will be to use the handle of a plastic spoon to add a few drops of food coloring to the soap. After that, use a toothpick to create a mosaic pattern on the soap. The next step would be to let the mixture harden in a cool and dry place for 24 hours. After 24 hours, remove the soap from the mold. Finally, let the soap cure for at least 4 weeks. Here is the final product, teacher. Thank you for watching.